exercise 6.5, question number 9, 10, 11 and 12. Till question number 8 we have discussed in my previous video. Now in this video, I would like to tell you these 4 questions are of same type. Like according to the situations, we will have a right angle triangle and we need to find the required thing, either the hypotenuse or the base or the perpendicular. Okay, using the Pythagoras theorem only. So little bit different is question number 8. It's not different, only similar, but I want to make you understand what is given. Question number 11. An aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at a speed of 1000 km per hour. At the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west at a speed of 1200 km per hour. How far apart will be two planes after 1.5 hours? Suppose this is the point of, or this is this airport, suppose A, okay, and one aeroplane is going to the north direction at a speed of 1000 km per hour and another aeroplane is going to the west direction and at a speed of 1200 kilometers 1200 km per hour. Okay, so after 1.5 hour, suppose plane which is going to north have reached this position N and the plane which is going to west have reached position west here. So this is the length between the two planes. So this is what? H. Know that south, north and west, they makes right angle with each other. So this is what? A right angle triangle they makes. Okay. So a distance of aeroplane towards north. Distance is what? Speed into time. The speed towards north was 1000 and time is after 1.5 hours. So 1.5 hour is actually what? 3/2 hours. So it is 3/2 kilometers. So 2 5s are 10 and the distance will be 1500 kilometers. Now similarly, distance towards west. Distance towards west, since the speed was 1200 km per hour, so the distance will be this 1200 into the time, that is 3/2. So 2 6s are 12 and 6 3s are 100, 6 3s are 18. So 1800 kilometers. So we need to find H. So this NW square is equals to NA square plus WA square. So NA square is just we got 1500 kilometers and WA square we have got as 1800 kilometers. So it is 1500 kilometers plus 1800 kilometers square. So after solving it, NW taking the square root, the answer came 300 under root 61 kilometers. So directly I have written the answer. Solution takes time, so you can do it by squaring, adding and taking the square root. You will get the answer. The distance between both the aeroplane north and west, they went to those directions. The distance is 300 root over 61 kilometers. Okay. So this how you can do the other questions like 9, 10 and 12 also. So now question number 13. D and E are the points on the sides CA, CB respectively of a triangle ABC. Right angle at C. Prove that A square plus BD square is equals to AB square plus DE square. So, respectively of a triangle right angle at C. Right angle at C. This is a right angle which is right angle at C. So, this will be A and B. So, D and E are the points on CA, CAD and E on the BC respectively. So triangle ABC. So AE square, that means we need to join this AE. BD square, that means we need to join this BD also. is equals to AB square plus DE square. AB we have and this DE also we need to join. Okay, so this kind of figure we will have and it is a right angle at C. So the solution, all the right angle triangles we have to consider. That is, first of all, let us take this ACE, triangle ACE. Since we need AE square in the left hand side, AE square let us write to prove. Then only we can take it from there. AE square plus BD square is equal to AB plus AB square plus DE square. So here will be the proof. So since AE square, so in triangle AEC, yeah, ACE. So AE square is equal to AC square plus CE square. Okay, and then similarly in triangle this BD we need, so DCB. In triangle DCB, BD square is equal to DC plus BC. DC square plus BC square. Now in the left hand side AD square, AE square and BE square we need. So if this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2, so we have to add both. So we will get AE square BD square is equal to AC square plus DC square, and here CE square plus BC square. Now you see this AC and BC, square, they makes what? They makes perpendicular and hypotenuse, square of perpendicular and base, they makes the AB square, that is by Pythagoras theorem. So for AC square plus BC square we can write AB square, and here DC square and CE square is for the right angle triangle DCE. DC square and CE square. So it is what? DE square. Here you can write AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square, and DE square is equals to DC square plus CE square. So by Pythagoras theorem, here we have the result. AE square plus BD square is equals to AB square plus DE square. Easy? Okay. So now the next question. Same exercise 6.5. Question number 14. Question number 14. The perpendicular from A on the side BC of triangle ABC. We have simply a triangle ABC. ABC. We have a perpendicular triangle ABC. We have a perpendicular AD on BC such that DB is equals to 3 CD. DB is equals to thrice of CD. So we have to show, to prove 2AB square is equals to twice of AC square plus BC square. So now prove. Here you see DB is equals to 3 CD, and this, if we talk about this BC, then BC is equals to BD plus CD, but BD is given thrice of CD. So it is 3 CD plus CD is equals to 4 CD, that is BC. So we can write from here CD is equals to 1 upon 4 BC, 1 upon 4 BC here. Okay. Now this BC 1 upon 4, this BC is BD plus CD. Okay. And then BD it is given, that's thrice of CD. And here we have DB is equals to thrice of CD. And CD we have got 1 upon 4 BC. So from here we will get DB is equals to 3 into this value of CD 1 upon 4 BC. So it is actually 3/4 of BC. So this BD is the 3/4 of BC, whole BC, and this CD is 1/4 of BC. 1/4 of BC, and this DB is 3/4 of BC. So we have got it. Now we have to consider these two triangles. Since we need in the left hand side 2AB square, so let us start with this triangle. Now in triangle ABD, so we have this AB square is equals to AD square plus BD square. AD square plus BD square, and also we need that AC square also here. So we write, and in triangle ADC, so we have this AC square is equals to AD square plus this CD square. Okay, this CD and this DB we will put the values here. So since we need this AB and AC, AD we don't need. So what we will do, if we subtract both the equation, AD square will go and we will have finally this AB AC and BD CD in respect of BC, because both the values are in the form of BC. So we will replace it. So subtracting, we will get AB square minus AC square, AD square minus AD square, plus this is BD square minus DC square. So this will be cancelled. Now we will put here the value of BD. Here the value of BD we have 3/4 BC whole square minus the value of CD square or DC square, same. So 1 upon 4 BC whole square. So here if we are taking that BC square as common, so it will be 3 3s are 9 upon 16. 9 upon 16 minus 1 square 1 and 3 3s are again 16. So it is BC square, and 9 minus 8, 9 minus 1 8 and 16. So 8 2s are 16. So it is actually 1 upon 2 BC square. So this is AB square minus AC square. So this implies 2 will go to the left hand side. So the twice of AB square minus AC square is equals to BC square. Here now 2 will multiply and minus 2 AC square will shift to the right hand side. So it will be 2AB square is equals to BC square plus 2AC square. So this is our result. We need to use the Pythagoras theorem over here. By using the given thing with the both values, we have changed this BD and CD with in respect of BC, and then finally we have changed the value and we have the answer. Okay, thank you.